Want to study Japanese language? Visit our Facebook page at Plastone School. Or you can click the link in the description. Sign up now and create your future with us. You can also visit our YouTube channel. Don't forget to click the subscribe button to be updated on our latest videos. Plastone Language School Incorporated.
Hello everyone, my name is Maureen Joy Fampulme, and in this video we will discuss about particle mo. We've already encountered particle mo in lesson 2. The function of particle mo is to indicate that item 2 has the given property, or in English, also or to. In Tagalog, din or rin, which means this is used to compare two different subjects with a similarity or same property, also and to. This is our pattern. A wa X des. B mo X des, where A and B are two different items while X is the shared property. For example, Takeshi-san wa Nihonjin desu. The next sentence is Michiko-san mo Nihonjin desu. This example states that the second sentence here has the same property as the topic in the first sentence. Meaning, si Michiko-san ay may pagkakaparehas kay Takeshi-san, which is parehas sila ng nationality. However, apart from the shared property or similarity in their property, mo is also used to shared activity or different people who perform the same action or who will perform the same action. Our pattern for that is A wa X, where X is the shared activity. So, ito yung verb natin. And B mo X, where the B is another person and X is the same activity that was or that will be performed. For example, watashi wa kino Kyoto ni ikimashita. Watashi wa kino Kyoto ni ikimashita. I went to Kyoto yesterday. The second sentence here is Yamashita sensei mo kino Kyoto ni ikimashita. Yamashita sensei mo kino Kyoto ni ikimashita. This means that si Professor Yamashita pumunta din siya ng Kyoto kahapon. Ang pagkaparehas nila dito is yung action. Parehas silang pumunta ng Kyoto. So keep in mind na bago mo gamitin si mo, make sure na may basis ka sa comparison mo. Meaning, dapat may first sentence ka. Hindi mo pwedeng sabihin na, watashi mo Kyoto ni ikimashita. Ako rin, pumunta ako ng Kyoto. So, sino yung kaparehas mo na pumunta ng Kyoto? Always keep in mind na dapat may pagkokomparahan ka. The second meaning of particle mo here is when someone buys, sees, or eats two or more things. Our example here is Meri-san wa kutsu o kaimashita. Meri-san wa kutsu o kaimashita. Mary bought shoes. Bumili si Mary ng sapatos. The second one here is Meri-san wa kaban mo kaimashita. Meri-san wa kaban mo kaimashita. Mary bought a bag too. Bumili din si Mary ng bag. Ang pattern natin dito is same person sila and same action yung ginawa nila pero magkaiba naman sila ng direct object. And yung sa second sentence naging particle mo, which indicates na bumili din siya nung bagay na yun. In both cases, mo directly marks an item on the list of things or people that have something in common. Observe that mo replaces the particles wa, ga, or o in these sentences. Okay, you can also use mo when you go to two places, do something on two different occasions, and so forth. Our first example here is Watashi wa senshu Kyoto ni ikimashita. Watashi wa senshu Kyoto ni ikimashita. Osaka ni mo ikimashita. Osaka ni mo ikimashita. As you've noticed, we didn't remove the particle ni but we added the particle mo to particle ni. Meaning, I went to Kyoto last week, I went to Osaka too. Pumunta ako sa Kyoto last week, pumunta din ako sa Osaka. So, dito sa mo na ito, pinakita na pumunta siya sa dalawang lugar. Next, an example on two different occasions. Robato-san wa doyobi ni pate ni ikimashita. Robato-san wa doyobi ni pate ni ikimashita. Robert went to a party on Saturday. Nichiyobi ni mo pate ni ikimashita. Nichiyobi ni mo pate ni ikimashita. Yung particle ni naman sa example na ito is pertaining to time. And particle mo is also or to. So, ang meaning ng sentence is, Robert went to a party on Saturday. He went to a party on Sunday too. So, we put mo after particle ni in these sentences. More generally, particles other than wa, ga, and o are used together with mo. Sabihin, di mo pwedeng gamitin si wa, ga, and o kay mo.